doing, Wolverines? It's a beautiful day here in Memphis. I'm Callie.
I'm Keena with the OHS TV.
We have an exciting broadcast for you today.
Today, we will hear some of our CTE teammates talk about trending fashions.
Shania will show us how to make a quick snack during your brain break.
Finally, we will feature the meme competition between all CTE departments.
Did you enter the meme competition?
No.
I mean, why not?
I see what you did there. Here we go, Wolverines.
My client wanted to go to Coachella because she's a mom and she wanted time for herself, so she was trying to relive her younger years. So this milestone is going to Coachella. The budget is $1,500 again. The style is Bohemian Lady. The shades were $255. The shirt was $180. The pants were $215. The shoes were $400. The belt $105, and the hat $90. The total of this overall outfit was $1,245. The trend, I would definitely say the shirt she has on, the crop top, and the sandals, and the belt. I've seen a lot of people wear that type of crop top, and crop tops are very in fashion, and the tassels are so too, and sandals have become a very high top fashion also.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Earl, and this is my client stylist project.
Today, I'm going to tell you what is a personal stylist. So, personal stylist helps clients to create the most suitable image by choosing clothes and accessories that fit the client's body types and individual needs, and that fits their personality. And so, today I'm a personal stylist, so I styled a lady who is a tattoo artist. Her description: she's very sarcastic, she's shy, very nervous, and she has a basic personality. Her body type is a triangle body type, so she has a lot of hip, I don't know how to say it, but she has a wide waist, I would say, yes. And so her hair color is black and her skin is like a warm tone, and so since she has a warm tone, I decided to have these type of colors for the different type of clothes that I will be styling her with. So this is my first client milestone. She has been a tattoo artist for a year. She's been very successful. So this is usually her style as she goes to work. Crop top, and it's usually like an edgy and modern type. And the budget is $500. So I wanted to give her a basic crop top and pants so that it can be fitted, because she likes that fitted look with especially because she has a very fitted type body, so she wants to show her body. And also she has basic shoes and a little accessory, because she doesn't want to have a lot on as she's doing tattoos.
Okay, so this is my client. For the description, I said that she is nice, fun, carefree, hardworking, and athletic. I said her body type is like a pear shape. Her skin is a cool skin tone. Her hair color dark brown. Color story: looks best in dark reds or blue tones. Also new colors. For her first milestone, I said college graduation, and for this outfit, I would say it's modern / classy. And for the trend on the dress, I feel like a lot of young girls or whatever, they use a lot of kind of statement dresses or whatever, like the fun kind of dresses, not really like those long dresses. So I went with this I think it's called sequin black dress, And I think it's trendy now because I see like a lot of girls on Instagram, having these kind of dresses for like dinners or parties or whatever. So that's why I used it.
Now we're here from Shania about our tasty brain break treat. I'm so excited to learn what she got planned.
The only ingredients you'll need is pizza sauce, shredded cheese. You can even use more cheese, pepperoni slices, tortillas, and you can even use pizza crust. It'll only take 5 to 7 minutes for it to cook in the oven or the toaster oven. This recipe is much faster than waiting 15 to 20 minutes on a frozen pizza or waiting 35 to 45 minutes when you're ordering a pizza.
Hi, I'm Rachel. Our next segment is called Are You Sure? Wolverine students were interviewed and asked to tell us about their career aspirations. Let's check it out.
My name is Courtney Chivers. In my career research, I have narrowed down my career selection to a childcare worker. The median salary is $22,290, and you need a high school diploma. According to the personality survey, I'm qualified for this career because I'm very social. I plan to prepare for this career by doing volunteer work.
Hello, my name is Eugenia Plummer, and in my career research, I have narrowed down my career selection to a medical transcriptionist. The career salary is $38,330 for the state of Colorado. The educational requirements are a minimum of 2 years college, and according to the personality survey, I'm qualified for this career because I have the Holland traits: conventional, realistic, and investigative, which are important traits to have to become a medical transcriptionist. I plan to prepare for this career by expanding on my knowledge of clerical work, computers and electronics, and customer and personal services. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Gilberto Arroyo. In my career research, I have narrowed down my career selections to sales manager. The career has a salary range of $121,000. The education requirements are at least 4 years of college. According to my personality survey, I am qualified for this career because I am able to speak well and organize plans well too. I plan to prepare myself for this career by the end of senior year. Thank you.
Now here's our meme competition. All of the CTE students participated. We had dozens of entries, but now we're going to tell you our top 5 and best overall. Thank you for tuning in.
Make sure to watch the next episode.
You have been watching WOHS TV.
love.